Hello and welcome to Module 4. This module focuses on masculine and feminine nouns and adjectives. Nouns in Albanian are declined, which means that a certain noun can change its ending in order to tell us or the user what role it plays in a given sentence. And these changes are called declension. So a declension is used to tell the user of the language who does what, and also to tell him how something is related to another thing. For example, who possesses what is given to whom, who does what is done by whom, and so on. So these characteristics are very important and must be kept in mind when learning a language like Albanian. To make it easy, I have chosen a few masculine nouns which are very common and should not pose any problem as far as memorizing them is concerned. For example, the word apartment is apartament. Apartament. If we want to say the apartment is here, the word apartament would get an E at the end as an ending. So, apartamenti është këtu. Apartamenti është këtu. Train is tren. Tren. If apartament becomes apartamenti, how would tren become? Treni. Treni. The train is far. Now far is larg. Larg. L-A-R-G. So how would you say the train is far? Treni është larg. Treni është larg. Another word which is quite similar to the English counterpart is the word doctor. Doktor. Doktor. The doctor is here would be Doktori është këtu. Doktori është këtu. The doctor is not here would be Doktori nuk është këtu. Doktori nuk është këtu. So again you use nuk before the verb that you are negating. Another similar word is professor, which is professor. Professor. The professor is at the university. Now, university is universitet. Universitet. How would you say the professor is at the university? Profesori është në universitet. Profesori është në universitet. He is not here. Ai nuk është këtu. Ai nuk është këtu. City is qytet. Qytet. Q-Y-T-E-T. The city is big. Now big is I madh. And you use I madh whenever this adjective modifies a masculine noun. Qytet is a masculine noun because it ends in a consonant, and most of masculine nouns end in consonant. So how would you say the city is big? Qyteti është I madh. Qyteti është I madh. Madh is spelled as M-A-D-H. Madh. The train leaves later. Now leaves is niset. Niset. Treni niset më vonë. Treni niset më vonë. Empty is bosh. Bosh. B-O-S-H. The apartment is empty would be apartamenti është bosh. Apartamenti është bosh.